Oh, hey AB, it's me Karan Johar. Come on in, it's my new home. How would I describe this house in 3 words? Glamorous, aesthetic, livable.
Karan's apartment is a true reflection of his personal style. As soon as you enter the house, there's a drama which begins. The house has huge mirrors, these geometric patterns. It's glamorous, it's chic, it's subtly over the top, as one would expect it to be.
My inspiration was zero. This entire home is entirely a result of Gauri Khan's supreme aesthetic sensibility. I have no contribution, literally nothing. This is a Gauri Khan baby all the way. The night we called really close friends for dinner is when I saw the house for the first time. So when I was showing it, I was also seeing it.
So this project is really, really close to my heart. Probably because I just love Karan. That's one of the reasons. And also I feel that I think whatever I design, I always feel that he's just going to say, wow.
What does home mean to me? What does home mean to any of us? Home means like a safe space that is just yours. When I really wrap up the day for myself and I shut off and I put my phone on silent and I lie and I Netflix and not necessarily chill, I literally just Netflix. Those are the best moments of my day. So home is to me my safe domain. Home is to me where not just my heart is, but where my head is at many a time. And home is also to me a protected area, protected environment where I feel confined from the rest of the world.